Hey guys, welcome back to Beardchanics garage. This time we cover slammed UK. Let's go.
Let's have a look.
Splitter, canard, bag. Go follow. Another one, Ford Focus ST. Nice big exhaust. Custom splitter. Lowered side skirt. Little alien inside.
It's the driver.
No tag. If you know the tag, let us know. Somebody's getting angry over there.
Yeah.
Renault Sport. $30, $36? What?
Yeah, this is what I used to have.
Very nice. Low, bit of camber at the front. A3. Blacked out rear tail light. Nice. Oh, interesting Audi wheels. I don't think they're Audi wheels, I think it's just wheels within the center cap, still Audi but customized.
Yeah.
Go follow here.
Nice S3 there. What whose car that is?
Nah. Make sure you go follow. Especially there. But yeah, at least this time we've got it in, last time we didn't. Yeah. Anyway, this one you know. It's lovely.
Yeah.
I think that's a Nissan Stagera or something like that. They are not common here.
That's just how I don't recognise it.
It's lovely though.
Yeah, it is.
Massive exhaust over there.
If you can have a like an estate car, nice to have one that looks a bit beefy as well.
Lovely wheels. Golf.
Yeah.
With a angry bonnet, angry eyes bonnet.
Spoiled crew again.
Modified. Lovely wheels. Dirty Derv.
Dirty there. That's chunky.
Lovely Sylvia. Which we've seen a couple of mid-backs actually.
Yeah, we did. Yeah, I recognise this one.
Yeah, S14A paper, go follow. That's the more booze than Gasbury car.
Yes.
Little Alpha.
Like Alphas.
Even though we never know what they are.
No, I don't know the Alphas that well actually.
It's nice. 3 Series, very clean.
Lovely.
Oh, actually, this is the clean one we saw at the meet last week. Oh no, I don't think so. Go follow.
Oh, Granada, sorry, beg your pardon.
Yeah, Granada 2.9. Little Skyline.
Absolute beauty, that one.
Look at that exhaust.
Reference, I'll put my fist in there. Yeah, look.
Not even touching the side.
Not even touching the side. God, that's great condition as well.
Yeah. Go follow. Another Ford Fiesta. Love the color combo on that.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah. I really like those wheels. Pretty sure they're like Ford stock, but really cool design.
Yeah, they're lovely, aren't they?
And go follow here. Cobra exhaust. Revo wheels. Side skirt on all of that, obviously. Little black accents. Golf GTI. I really like their red accent, how they like continue the line.
It suits the car, doesn't it?
Yeah. Wheels done. Lovely again. This one we've got a Miltech exhaust. Set of wheels done. Daily detailed. Ah, Chris ST2, we've seen that one before too. Go
Yes.
follow if you haven't the first time around. And now we're moving on to a little Jaguar.
This is gorgeous. You sit in your car in here then? I can absolutely see me driving one of these.
It's a shame your bank account doesn't feel the same.
Drive-by shooting.
Okay, now here it's two huge ones. Look at that.
Yeah.
Give him his due though. Good pops and bang. But
Yeah.
go follow here.
66 BRZ.
Yeah, BRZ if you haven't spotted it. They do look good as well, don't they?
That's tasty.
I like the little bumps on the roof line as well.
Yeah, yeah. It's very
Lovely Sirocco that we saw a couple of weeks
yes,
back
yeah.
as well. Love this one.
I remember it, yeah.
I adore those wheels, man. AMG CLA45.
Yeah. Probably have one of those too.
Lovely Alpha.
That's really nice.
Carbon accents. That's right, mate. Cheers. Lovely M3. Oh, look, even the guards are carbon. Nice. Then UK.
Yes.
Yeah, another one that we saw a couple of weeks back. Lovely.
We've seen this one before as well. It's just different.
Yeah, yeah, S14A paper, if I remember well the tag. Oh, maybe not. Can't remember it having a, maybe it's another one. Can't remember it having a carbon bonnet,
actually,
but
yeah.
we do so plenty of cars. Yeah, no, it's not it. Because nice as well, though.
Yeah, it is.
The S14 papers, even got the bar at the back, it's definitely got the tag on.
Yeah.
Those are lovely Skyline Gtr34. Lovely wheels. Quite an offset on that, isn't it?
Sorry?
Look how deep
Yeah.
this goes. Go follow there. Like with the plate pointing down a bit.
Yeah, it's a good idea, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh no, it just came loose off itself, honestly.
Carbon boot, carbon spoiler,
I've seen one with a carbon boot before.
titanium exhaust. Ooh. Lovely engine bay.
That is gorgeous, yeah.
Oh, big turbo.
That's something else.
There we go, another one. This we've seen before as well.
Yeah.
Couple of weeks back. Lovely. You pretty much have to have a huge exhaust if you have a Skyline. The rules. Go follow.
Like a gorgeous engine bay.
Yeah. Lovely Arbit 26 with a nice precision turbo. And another one. Again, we've seen before the badass, isn't it?
Yeah.
Lovely. Ooh. Jaguar. Go follow. Looking neat, isn't it?
Something about them in white.
Yeah, they do look good in white, don't they?
Yeah.
Go follow. Yeah, even though I'm not a big fan of white in general, but yeah, they
Not
do.
usually, but it suits the Skyline.
Yeah. We've lost Felix in the process, but yeah, gorgeous. Lovely.
Don't recognise this one.
Go follow. Steering wheel in the windscreen. Lovely Mini.
That is a nice Mini.
Yeah.
All leather interior as well.
Oh, it's nice, yeah. There's no music either.
Yeah. Excellent.
Lovely louver at the back. Okay, toast. Go follow here. Love that sticker too.
Dashboard in that car is really nice as well.
Boom. C'est le BMW. Little Volvo there. Pas l'intro. Very clean.
It is clean, isn't it?
SX car girl. Go follow.
Yeah, that's really clean.
Mm.
Don't get too close, they're not that good, mate.
See it? Oh, I've never noticed they actually had.
Get that one as well.
Never noticed they had a.
Yeah, it's quite nice actually, isn't it?
Yeah, little cap there.
It's nice.
There we go, yeah. Fresh cars at the stand we are on. They kindly let us sit with them for our wheels. Go follow there. Another one we've seen before. Very nice.
Yes, yeah, I recognise it. So I recognise the stickers and stuff more than the actual car.
Yeah. Well, we follow every single Instagram tag from the last meet, so I know a lot of them now.
Yeah.
Go follow. GTI.
I like the carbon door handles.
Yeah. Boom. Go follow. Then Boca. Little Seat. Very nicely bagged. Love the wheels as well, man.
Yeah.
Really cool. The tag so you can go follow. Lovely fitment.
Yeah, that's stunning.
Yeah. Skoda. Lovely MX-5 Mark II.
Lights are gorgeous.
Love the wheels on it as well. Really sweet the car well.
Yeah, it also tastes as well.
Little ducktail, little tag. Make sure you go follow. We will. Oh, and look.
Oh yeah.
Lovely.
That is.
Lovely Vauxhall. splitter, lovely wheels. Alright mate, go follow.
Cheers.
Yet another Fiesta.
I love the racing stripes on cars.
Here is the tag, go follow. Another MX-5 Mark II, I believe. They do look good, wheels like that on MX-5, don't they?
They do,
that
yeah.
sort of design.
Slow car club.
Slow car club. MK1 sitting next to it.
Yeah,
It's nice to actually have them next to each other,
It
same
is,
color
yeah.
and stuff. You can see the difference a little bit.
Yeah.
As far as I reckon, this one is probably a late one because the bumper is slightly different than the one we had.
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
Yeah.
I like the Mark IIs, but the Mark Is I think just look better.
Yeah. That one's nice, huh? Lovely. And look at the air freshener on that. Like a Marlboro pack, but tire smokers. Lovely. Oh, and look at that exhaust as well.
Oh yeah, nice. Weasel work.
Golf R. Next to a really patch up. Nice one. Brilliant, mate. That's you. That's your tag there, yeah? Yeah. Cool. I'll tag you. Cheers, buddy. It's alright. I won't put. I'll just grab the tag. I won't get you in. That's right. Go follow. Little Mini Cooper.
Yamaha.
Yeah.
I'll keep an eye. We'll have to do some bike meets as well.
Yeah. Lovely BMW. Sad Boys Race Club. BBS wheels. Go follow. You are good. C'est plus Skyline. Lovely BMW. Lovely pink one, man. Air filtered. Bush.
Yeah, blimey.
Yeah, perfect. Oh, look at that. I don't know if it's like on purpose effect or something, but it looks like it.
Yeah.
Three-spoke wheel. Copper caged.
Got the this one, both really nice colours, mate.
Yeah. Now look at the mirrors.
See the indicator mirrors as well?
Yeah.
Like it.
Gorgeous engine bay shaving as well there. Wow.
Yeah.
Absolutely, I adore that. It's just so, just looks so good, isn't it?
It does, yeah. Again, it really shows when you've got really well done. Really well done cars.
It's gorgeous.
That is gorgeous, yeah. Got the wheels as well.
Really
Oh,
nice.
it's lovely, always.
Looks good in that color as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
Not a color I would pick for any car, but actually suits it very well.
Yeah, it does.
And you've got the bash bar at the front as well. There you go, John. Batch gang. Oh, lovely Aussie racing wheels.
Badge gang. Like it. Oh, that's just because I'm childish.
Couple of exos that make statement
That's
as
nice, I
well.
like that.
The hatchback one.
That's nice.
Yeah, you don't see them in that form often.
Yeah, that.
Gorgeous engine bay as well.
Oh, look at that.
With a little Italian stripe. Red interior. About Club Eastland. Eastland.
This is what
Eastland, something.
This is what I tell the kids they should have. Hey, bath.
Oh, looks like there is stuff going on in the engine bay too. Follow. Carbon.
Fantastic cars, the Evos, but I don't actually see that many of them.
No. Little 1 series. But not as a hatchback. So follow this one here. Black matte wheel.
I think I've seen a 1 series like that.
Focus ST. Probably got a rammer filter. Little ST stuff. Ooh, lovely Volkswagen Polo Coupe. With a double cannon exhaust. Lovely. Sub install that needs refreshing. Rocco, R-Line. Lovely.
Check out those wheels.
Oh yeah. Rotiform wheels. Volkswagen Passat.
Yeah.
Ultimate Dubs. Fox Boys Edge Arena. The S1. Little E3. Oh, S3, excuse me. Another Ford Fiesta. Bagged. With perfect fitment. One Megan RS. Lovely. All blacked out. Mini Cooper S. Very nice. Make sure you go follow there. I love this mesh with a little quattro underneath. For the Fiesta, bagged. Gorgeous wheels. Big extension. Gold, silver,
Oh, check that out.
gorgeous, isn't it? This for me. I think somebody would like to have a turbo in there. Who wouldn't want to? Gorgeous wheels on this again. Look, Fiat Punto. Don't see those a lot. Go follow there. Really in your face wheels.
Yeah.
Does actually go well with the body, isn't it?
It does.
Mm.
Yeah.
And you've got the registration plate as well, got a touch of color in there. One series. Sorry. And the technique. This one is still at it. I think the loudest out of the three, you know? Lovely about. Somebody's having a bit of spooling over there as well. Look at the wheels on that. It's hard to move a wheel when they're making noise. Yeah.
Nice.
Here we go. Clean beams again from last time. Make sure you go follow if you haven't yet. Josh MK3, little MK3 Golf. Love those wheels, man. I think it's a similar wheel to those purple one we saw the other day on
I love those wheels, they're awesome.
red plate.
Oh yeah.
Might just be show plate though, but
That could be, yeah.
because I'm not sure you'll get away with it. Golf R with yellow accent, looks bagged. Yep, very much bagged. Oh look, I love that. Little Lego piece as a valve cover. Go follow this one there.
These were the little Lego men heads on it.
I actually saw a car where the guy did his airbox and that was a Lego head box. Yeah. A3, backed again. Really cool looking wheel as well. No tag. If you know the tag, put down in the comment below. Sirocco. Here the tag is easy enough. That's a good idea actually.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Bonnet's awesome, isn't it?
Another one we've seen before, the little Adam.
Yep.
Emily Gentello, go follow if you are not already.
I haven't seen Abe yet. Abe's nice.
Some wheels on there.
That's nice.
Yeah. Again, the one we saw at some killer's stand the other day, remember?
Yes, yes.
The one with the biggest exhaust ever.
That's it, yeah. Big
And I
fit,
think today, so far today, it is still the biggest exhaust here. Lou WRX. Oh, and I got it wrong. It's actually Lou LOU. I was reading that as LOW last time, so I must have tagged him wrong. Subaru STI. Nice in white as well, like that.
I do love Subaru.
Little roof vent.
Yeah, I haven't seen it before.
BBS wheels. Go follow on Instagram. Lovely big wing on that.
That's epic.
Oh, mind you, Huh.
Hello, they might just.
Who is bigger, this one or this one?
We have to start bringing a tape measure with us.
Yeah, I think they're around the same size, you know?
Yeah. Next time, I'll bring a tape measure with me.
Yeah, static, roll hard. Zero to 60 eventually. You need a sticker like that for your Tigra.
Yeah, definitely.
Lovely bagged Volkswagen, rocking BMW wheels. Moving on to another 3 Series BMW. Sympa.
Okay.
Another Subaru. With an air freshener libre ou l'approve of. Isn't that right?
Like it. We have to get one of those.
Again, if you have a WRX, you can't have a small exhaust. It's a bit like Skyline on Evos. Looking good, all in black. I think one we've seen before as well.
That's an interesting colour. Yeah, it really stands out.
Sirocco R. Oh, is that a Supra? It is.
I like this shape.
Oh, and here we go. Somebody was trying to compete with the craziest diffuser in the show.
Yes.
So far, I have to say, still win.
Yeah, I think so. That's interesting, though. I've not seen one of these.
Convertible one, isn't it?
Yeah.
You don't see them often.
No, you don't, do you?
Give it an interesting shape, though.
Yeah, it is. It's quite aggressive looking.
And obviously, the Supra. Plenty of you guys love it. I just wish it was a Gen 3 myself, but gorgeous wheel though. Oh, and different combo. Look at the tires at the back, man.
Oh, yeah. It's got that off of
Very
full
much
tractor,
set up
I
like
reckon.
a drag one, yeah.
It's almost a tractor wheel.
We have a little bit of rain, but it does make the car look really nice, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Lovely RS4.
Makes it look cleaner.
Gorgeous wheels on. There's a wagon, obviously, lovely. The Porsche Turbo going through. Another Ford slammed. Gorgeous form wheel. Here's the tag, guys, go follow. Lovely. Another one, Ford Focus, bagged. Camber, perfect fitment. Massive exhaust. And here's the tag, make sure you go follow. We will.
To be totally honest, I'm not even sure what this is.
Ford Focus. Yeah. But you know, we are so good at knowing our car. Maybe we're wrong. If we are wrong, or if you want to know more, go just check the tag anyway.
Yeah.
Honda Integra Tapar.
Oh, nice.
Lovely.
Okay, you don't see
With
that
an
many-
attempt at a mad diffuser.
Again, you don't see many Integras either, do you?
Nah, but they are lovely, aren't they?
Yeah.
Ah, not in that color.
Again, I'm not that sure.
Oh, here is the tag though. Go follow, guys. Oh, this is lovely.
It is, isn't it?
No, it is not one at all, is it? Is it just a BMW?
Yeah. Sure it is. It's like BMW.
Yeah, no, the headlight and tail light
Ah, yeah.
with some really fancy horns in there, look at that.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
So here we've got this terrible looking Ford Focus. Did you add the roof scoop?
Yes.
Nice. You guys should see a review of that. You've seen it before. You should have seen the review by now. But this is an addition since the review. Wood scoop. And still looking as sexy as ever.
Oh yeah, yeah. And bigger headlight eyebrows as well.
Oh yeah, you've changed them. Yeah, that's why we will do update on this one. It's an ever changing project. Hyundai? I do love those. Go, just little hatchback. Hot hatch. All stock by the look of it? Oh no, little addition. Next to another one on the Ford ST. Follow this one here, guys. Quite an interesting one with that off-white stuff. Pack Bima. And yeah, as you can see, it's raining a bit, so people are in their car and driving it a bit. Sirocco, 2 liter. BMW. Lovely bill. Look at that lovely A1. Look at that exhaust. Lovely exhaust one. Follow there. Right. So just next to little ST. Little apart. RS. Lovely. Still stock wheel. Hashtags. And you can go follow there. Camille here, go follow. Little van. S6 swaps. The front is chrome and low. Oh, a S666 friend. GTI. You follow there. Lovely R32. Lovely Mini here. Gorgeous wheel with center cap. Half cage. Bonnet vents. Lee is back from his piece.
That's better. That was quite cute.
Another Golf. You can follow that one here. Stickers. Somebody is getting angry over there. Obviously he's not angry anymore. A little bit.
Yeah.
Typical BTI. Some lovely wheels on there. RD Motorsport, go check if it's not a tag. Another Golf S5. Somebody is getting
Someone's having fun.
twitchy. Another Golf, another Golf. Skyline Gtr34 R34. This one makes it easy to know which one it is. It's written at the front.
Yeah.
Frog boy stickers on this. It's fresh. Let's finish to look at. Love the color. I love the purple on those as well. It's really nice color.
Oh, nice faces.
Yeah, that's the one we saw when we came in actually with a spoiler and stuff. Collection of types R. Always lovely. EP3s, my favorite body type, lovely exhaust there. Sitting to another Type R EP3. Is that a Supra? Yes, it is. Another lovely Type R EP3. Sitting next to a GTI. ABS wheels. Golf R. Bola wheels. Right. Dog M7R if you want to go follow. Here we go. You can go follow there, some lovely louvers on the side. This one you can go follow there. Lovely. Little Seat is giving some as well.
Yeah.
Lovely wheel on that as well. Go follow here. No good racing, bye bye police. Fucking wicked, man. That pops like mad, isn't it?
No worries.
Go follow. Cheers, lads.
Cheers, thank you.
Oh, look at those wheels as well, man.
Yes.
Love it. But those bang, isn't it? Whew.
Oh, yeah. Right, hearing damage anyway.
A3, yeah, A3. Oh, the racing wheels, lovely. A Subaru, you know, like every other car here. And again, mandatory
Massive
cannon
exhaust.
shooter at the back. Peugeot 206.
crazy last night? So did you make me crazy last night? Did you make me crazy